Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to track trades routed through Photon, Solana's leading DEX terminal, using Bitquery's API. Photon finds the best execution paths across multiple DEX to get you optimal prices. With Bitquery, you can track exactly which trades went through Photon's routing system. Let's see how. Every Photon routed trade includes their program address in the instruction data. By filtering for this address, we can track all trades that went through Photon's smart routing, whether they executed on PumpFun, PumpSwap, Radium, Orca, Jupiter, or any other Solana DEX. This gives you complete visibility into Photon's routing activity. Let's get the latest 100 trades routed through Photon. The response shows you complete trade details, which DEX protocol executed it, buy and sell token info with amounts in USD, wallet addresses, and prices. You see the full execution path Photon chose for optimal routing. Now let's track Photon trades for a specific trading pair. This combines two filters: the trading pair's market address and Photon's program address. Now you're seeing only Photon routed trades for that specific pair. You can also get these token pairs trading volume, price change, OHLCV, etc. using Bitquery APIs. All queries are in the description. Try them in the Bitquery IDE and explore Photon's routing patterns. Drop a like, subscribe for more Solana API tutorials.